going on, y'all? I hope y'all are doing good. It's been a hot minute, but I'm bringing y'all some content back, right? So about 2-week hiatus, been working, waiting on parts, all sorts of stuff's been going on in the back scene while you guys have been waiting desperately for videos. So I do apologize for a 2-week gap, right? But have no fear, Cam is here. So we're gonna drop today an install. This one's gonna be a little different, so we're gonna be putting this on a different engine. But it's a good part nonetheless. So as you saw in the intro, we are going to be installing the Banks Monster Ram intake horn. All right, this is going to be applicable for off-road use, racing only, 6.7 Cummins applications. So if you got like a dune buggy, you know, something that basically doesn't drive on the streets, if that makes sense, right? This is it, right? And you can get this from Banks website, Banks Power website, and it's out there, right? So obviously gains are hugely significant. I'll probably grab a picture of the inlet comparison showing the inlet for the Monster Ram versus the factory OEM styles that come on those engines. But you guys are gonna really like this video, man. Super quick installation. I was waiting forever for it to come from powder coating. We got it from powder coating in the back. Well, I was waiting forever, but I was also so busy. It's been powder coated for like a week now, but I've been so busy with work and stuff that I had no time to just go get it. But we got all that stuff. Make sure you stay tuned for the end of the video, because you will be seeing sneak peeks of some other goodies and stuff that we have. You guys are going to be extremely excited. And then what's going to happen is this weekend I'm going to be doing an unboxing video showing you guys all the cool stuff we have, and answering any questions that y'all might drop in this video down in the comments. So with that being said, make sure you hit the comment box, tear up the descriptions, all that stuff. Make sure you, or the comment section, make sure you smash the like button, all that good stuff. And if you're not, make sure you subscribe to the channel with the bell notification tap, so that way every time I drop a video you get notified, especially times like this when I might go missing for like a week or two. I don't want y'all getting left behind. I want y'all to stay current with the channel. So thank you guys so much once again. Let's get this video started. Real quick, you guys, update coming to the channel. All right, so a lot of people have said, or a lot of people use the discount codes I have down below in the description for pretty much all my videos. There is going to be a small change, but a good change for one of them. All right, so my code down below for tuning through Dirty Diesel Customs, ETD5, is no longer going to be active. Instead, it's being replaced with a link that takes you straight to their page, and it automatically applies a discount on the tuning that you order, or if you buy something that's from Dirty Diesel Customs themselves. Okay, and then on top of that, what's also going to be good is that you now get 7% off tuning, y'all. That is huge, okay, in terms of getting a deal. So you get 7% off tuning, and you don't have to enter a code. Now all you gotta do is, on any of my videos, go down below the descriptions, click the link, and it'll take you there. You order your stuff and go on about your business. All right, you guys, so what we are looking at right here is the Banks Monster Ram intake. This is the 4-inch setup. For part number, I don't have the box no more, but this is the 4-inch setup though. This thing is fully equipped, set up. What I love about this kit is, once again, in typical Banks fashion, they provide all the hardware you need. You don't have to do no craziness, no bending, twisting, nothing. You just grab it, set it up, follow the instructions, it drops into your truck. You're gonna have a huge CFM gain over your factory intake. It flows better. I mean, you can just, I got big hands, y'all, and this thing is massive, y'all. Y'all don't understand. You also have multiple ports, right? So you can run, you know, methanol injection, whatever you want to run, boost or NOS, I don't know, but you have ports on the sides, right? So you can run that. You have your sensor port for your MAF sensor, goes in right there, looks clean. And then you have up here some more ports you can put, probes if you wanted to have temp probes or whatever it is for air density, all that stuff. You can do a lot of stuff with this horn. This is probably going to be the last horn intake manifold you would ever buy for a 6.7 Cummins engine application. I'm just here to say that again. So one more thing, like I said earlier, this is for off-road use only. This is not like a emissions compliant setup. So if you have a vehicle that drives on the road, this is not for you. This is going to be for somebody who has an off-road vehicle. All right, a dune buggy, go-kart, whatever it is, right? But yeah, so you check this thing out, man. This is just pure workmanship, right? So on these 6.7 Cummins, the common thing with the aftermarket intakes is that the typical dent, right? You get the cheap intake horns that have a dent in it. I had one, no harm, no foul, right? But Banks, they get rid of that. Instead of putting a dent to conform to the factory injector line, they just made a different injector line. Now the thing is I have the injector line. It's already installed on the truck from when we did the grid heater delete plate setup on the engine. So, you know, I don't have it with me right now, but nonetheless, they made it to where it doesn't impede, and I'll flip this over, it doesn't impede with airflow. I mean, this sucker is massive, y'all. This is huge, man. I mean, there's so much. Look how my hand, once again, I got big hands. Look how my hand goes in here. Like, just nothing but air all the way. My hand's stuck now. Nothing but air all the way through, y'all. So once again, like I said, you get everything you need from Banks. So over here you have the instructions, comes with the intake gasket. You can see here the Monster Ram intake, and it says right there for racing only. All right, Cummins 6.7. You can get this off their website. You just have to search it under the 6.7 Cummins engine option. Okay, so over here we have all the hardware, clamps needed, and then we also get the provided boots. So we're gonna go ahead, get this bad Larry set up. And just like that, it is installed. It took me about 15 minutes to get it in. That middle bolt, that's a tricky one. But they provide an awesome Allen extension that you use to get down in there, so that's pretty sweet. This thing looks primo, and I haven't even wiped it off yet. I kind of wanted the letters, which I think I could still do. Get my sanding disc flap wheel. I wanted the letters to be machined or raw, because this was raw and I had it powdered, but they weren't able to clean that surface. So, but it is what it is, man. But this thing looks too good. As you see, we already got illusion cherry here on the valve rocker box, and then we got a bunch of other stuff too. So it's gonna really tie the engine in, bring it in. It looks really clean though. Got my air temp, or my compressor, my boost. There we go, my boost sensor. I got that screwed in on the backside in one of the ports. Got the MAF sensor hooked up. Everything went clean. So all the bolts dropped right in. You can see here, this is the fuel line that they provide for you. It clears the intake horn, doesn't touch it. Goes for your #1 injector. So they make it super easy. No thinking, no modding. Tell me what y'all think. So what I'm about to do now is I'm going to take all these manifold studs out, and I'm going to go ahead and paint this block so it can dry overnight, just kind of clean it up, make it look prettier. And then yeah, that should be it for now. Yeah, that looks way better. Gotta hit that little spot right there. Hit that up again. No biggie. That looks much better than, uh-oh, I'm caught on something. That looks much better than what it was looking like before, just to clean it up some. And that's all she wrote. All right, now if you made it this far, you're gonna get a sneak peek of some future stuff we got going on. I think y'all are really gonna like it, so let me know what y'all think, all right? Oh, snap. Drop the comments. Drop the motherfucking comments. Let's go. So hopefully you guys saw the little sneak peek. I'm gonna leave it just like that. Drop a comment. I want to hear what you guys got to say. So that was it for the install video. Super quick, straight to the point, y'all. If you're interested in this same part from Banks, go ahead and just hit up their website, bankspower.com, and you can go ahead and get you the same one. Any questions, just drop them down below in the comments, and I'll get back to you guys with that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you want to get caught up or just see what's been going on in the past, just go ahead and hit the channel, go back to the recent video or the playlist, and you guys can get spooled back up. All right, so once again, thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna see you guys real soon. Be on the lookout for the next video coming this weekend, and y'all keep it easy, all that good stuff. It's Friday, I'm tired, I'm about to chill, edit this video, upload it so y'all can watch it. Enjoy.